boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Rema here. It's a great song, another great from Rema, called Holiday. So we had Calm Down here before on this channel, this time Holiday, a song that makes you happy. It's Holiday, of course. So let's take a look at this song. We will have the easiest scenario here with the capo set on the 4th fret. And with that, we have 5 different chords. So let's look at the chords. We have first the E minor 7. So it's a very easy chord to have here. It's just 2nd fret A string, and that's it. Everything else is open from E to E. So all strings open except from that 2nd A. So that's the E minor 7. Next chord will be the D, but with an F sharp in the bass. Looks like this. So that is 2nd fret on E. Then the next string, the A, is muted here. I use my index finger to just lean on top of the A to get the muted A string. And then it's open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. Next chord is G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time. We go open with the B, sometimes 3rd B, this time open. And then finally the 3rd E. We have A here coming up, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And finally the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so there you have the chord progression pretty much. E minor, the D, F, the G, and then A and D. Alright, so we need to look at the strumming pattern. So we'll start with the E minor 7, that's the first chord. So it needs to be divided into 2 different parts. So the first part will be very, very easy. It's just 1 down. And we need that 1 down later. So it's down. And then the second part will be up, down, down. So one full strumming round will be down, up, down, 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 up, down, like this, down, up, down, down. That's the rhythm. So one round is down, up, down, down. All right, so it's a short break there between part 1 and part 2. So after the down, a short break, and then up, down, down. So a couple rounds of it will sound like this. And so on. All right. So now we're ready for the strumming here and the chords. So we're going with E minor 7. You're going to play 1 full round plus part 1. So that means 1 full, down, up, down, down, and then plus the first down, part 1. So like this. Down, up, down, down, and then part 1 down. Then you switch to the D, F chord, and this is just a transition chord. So you just land on 1 down on it. So just part 1. Right? Then you play 2 strumming rounds on G, 2 full, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So that is pretty much the first half, okay? So we go back again to E minor 7. We play 1 full round there and part 1. Then you jump to the D, F, just part 1, then 1 down, and then you play 2 full rounds on the G. Let's do that together first. The second half of this will be that you're staying with the G, because it starts with G here, and you're gonna play the following same pattern as we did for the E minor, D, and G here. So we played the E minor 7, 1 plus part 1. You're gonna continue with that on the G now. So it's still G, 1 full round plus part 1. Okay, so then you jump to the A now. This is the transition chord. You just play part 1, 1 down. And you finish off with the D that is 2 full rounds. The song actually. So just to repeat everything, this is first the E minor 7, 1 full round plus part 1, then the transition chord, the DF, 1 down, and you play the G, 2 full rounds. Then we repeat the strumming pattern again, everything, but you're now staying on the G, so you play 1 plus part 1. So you can actually say that you're really playing 3 full rounds plus part 1. That's what's gonna happen, because you're gonna stay on the G chord. So you play in the second half there, 1 plus part 1 on G, then A, transition chord, 1 down, and D, 2 full rounds. So the strumming pattern on 3 chords repeats itself. So E minor, D, F, G, G, A, and D. I'm gonna take you through 1 round a little bit slower and then 1 round in standard tempo. Let's go. Yeah, guys, so that's really Rema's Holiday. A great song to play, gives you energy. It's one of those songs that energize you. So yeah, I'm happy to help here. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please thumb up. Let me know if it was good or bad, where I can do better. I'd read everything. So thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, play tuned.